Hello students, today we'll discuss binary number system into octal number system. As we know that in binary number system, the base or radix of the system is 2. So we can use two symbols, that is 0 and 1. So in the given statement or in the given numerical, the problem is in the form of 0 and 1. We have to convert this number into equivalent octal number. In octal number system, the base or radix of the system is 8. That means we can use symbols from 0 to 7. So we can represent any digit of octal number system using only 3 bit. Now we'll discuss how we can convert given binary number into octal number system. The first step is take binary number as it is, given binary number. Divide the binary digits into group of 3. We have to start from right for the integer part and start from left for the fraction part. Convert each group of 3 binary digits into one octal digit. The important point to remember here, you can add any number of zeros in leftmost bit or in most significant bit for integer part and add any number of zeros in rightmost bit or in least significant bit for fraction part for completing the group of 3 bit. This does not change the original value of the given binary number. Now we'll discuss some examples how we can convert given binary number into equivalent octal number system.
Hello students, we'll see how we can convert binary number into octal number system. So for this we have taken the binary number 011111001 to the base 2 and we have to convert this binary number into octal number system. As we have already seen that in binary number system the base of the number system is 2 and in octal number system the base of the system is 8. That means we can use 0 to 7 numbers. So 0 to 7 numbers we can use. So how we can solve this, how we can convert this binary number into octal number system. So we'll write the given number as it is first. After that, from the rightmost side we will divide this given number into the group of 3 bits. This is one group, this is second group and this is third group. Now write it separately. 011111001. Now we have to find the equivalent octal number for this given system, right? So how we can calculate this? We'll use the formula 1, 2, 4. See students, in octal number system 3 digits are there. The number, the required answer is in 3 digits. So we will write this 001 here, 001. So what is the equivalent octal number of this group is 1. Why it is 1? Because here these two are 0. So we will just consider this one because below this one, the 1 is written here. Again we will consider the second one, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So what we have to do? All are 1. So we have to make the sum 4 plus 2 plus 1. That is 7. So we will write here 7. Again we will go for the third group 0, 1, 1. So it is 0 here. So we will not consider this 1 and 1. So we will consider 2 plus 1, that is 3. So required answer is 371 to the base 8. Okay. Now we will consider again the second example to clear the idea. Second example, suppose we will consider 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So this is a given number system. We have to convert into octal number system. Again, write down the given statement as it is. And from the rightmost side, divide this number into the group of 3 bits. So we have divided this first group, second group, but now here only 2 digits are remaining. To To make the group of 3 digits, we'll add one 0 because if I will add this 0, the original value will not get changed. Now write down it please. Separately 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Again write out our formula 1, 2, 4. So if I will take first group 1, 0, 0. So what is the answer here? It is 0, it is 0. So I will not add this 2 plus 1. So only 4. So the equivalent number is 4. So I will write here 4. After that I will consider the group 1, 0, 1. So it is 0. I will not consider this. So this one and this one. So I will add 4 plus 1, that is 5. So I will write here 5. Now the third group 0, 1, 1. It is 0. So we will not consider this 1 and this one. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. So I will write here 3. So our answer is 354 to the base 8. Okay. Now this is the integer part. Now we'll consider for a fractional number system. Suppose I will consider the number 101 to the base 2. We have to convert the equivalent octal number. Okay. Again the procedure is same. Write down the given number 110. This is a fractional point 101. So if the given number is integer, divide the group from the rightmost side. So I will divide this, and for the fractional number divide the group from the left side. So I will consider this is one group. Okay. Now again use the same formula 1, 2, 4. So 1, 1, 0, that means 4 plus 2, it is 6. Fractional number as it is 1, 0, 1, that is 4 plus 1, it is 5. So the answer is 6.5 to the base 8. Okay. Thank you.